Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So the bulls still holding on strong today. We did have a bit of a pullback, but the financial sector is really on fire going into the FOMC tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern. So that is definitely helping this market stay strong. Inside bar on the daily time frame today, 249.60 support, 250.07 resistance. And you can see we closed right there up near the all-time high, the highest close in the history of SPY. So the bulls are certainly just fine. And we have pretty much a 98% consensus of what's going to happen tomorrow at the FOMC. So we likely won't see a huge market reaction. It does seem like things are pretty priced in at this point, unless there's a big surprise with either a greater or lesser rate hike than anticipated, but haven't seen that happen in a while, and the last few FOMC reactions have been pretty timid on that day. The last reaction to the sector, though, the financial sector pulled back for weeks and weeks after the last FOMC, so curious to see that we are running strong, and again, keeping the market strong with the second highest holding for SPY in the financial sector. Upper Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame, 250.18 is a resistance level to watch as the bulls are butting their heads against it right now. So we have to break out on high volume and see a bullish MACD cross to see continuation from here in a strong weekly close. Haven't closed above the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame since back in December 2016. So a long time ago. IWM inside bar as well, getting real close to the all-time high. The range is 143.09 support, 143.69 resistance. Just really low volume, low opportunity today. Today's the kind of day that I don't day trade, where I would just walk away because you're just asking to give money back. If you're trying to force things in a tight range, choppy action, it's just not ideal at all. We need to recognize when to scale back our trading. So inside bar here as well. If we get a bull break, we'll be looking up to that all-time high. Upper Bollinger Band resistance here as well, but that's in the mid-144s. So we don't really have to worry about that level unless we head up to that new all-time high. And we're in the same position with a bull MACD cross on the weekly, ready and waiting to go through. QQQ, sideways trading, still healthy. Support the bulls want to hold is 144.97. Inside bar, low volume. Range of the inside bar is 145.31 support, 146.01 resistance. Have to see the bulls break the inside bar. Then we look to the all-time high. So the same thing across the board with the big three markets here. Break the inside bar on the daily, all-time high is certainly in sights. And the FOMC, we should see volume and volatility pick up a bit, but again, not expecting the kind of days that we used to see, months ago or back in early 2017 when it was a lot less uncertain what the FOMC was going to say. So that's what we've got heading into the weekly time frame here for QQQ. Indecision doji, upper Bollinger Band, plenty of room, extremely strong chart. Just riding between the middle Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Band resistance. That's a very bullish channel to be in, and a bull MACD cross if we do see continuation from here on out. So we'll check back in tomorrow and see how the recap of the FOMC reaction goes. I appreciate you watching and hope you have a fantastic night.